Greetings of the day, everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about briefly about the crop planting methods. Broadcasting, first of all. Broadcasting, as we see in this picture, it means the seeds are scattered by hand or machine over the soil surface. It is the definition of the method of broadcasting. Mostly, it is recommended for the crops, wheat, and upland rice, mustard, sesame, and even for some of the grasses variety. The tools used for the crop planting method broadcasting is the tools used here are hand, funnel broadcaster, maybe in larger areas for larger areas, drone or airplane can be used. Seed rate here mentioned is it is usually higher seed rate. It requires higher seed rate that might be 40 to 100 kg per hectare. The depth here it may be shallow 1 to 2 centimeter, often covered by the method of raking, and also it is a quick method of sowing. So it also have the pros and cons. The pros here is it is fast, it requires low skill, and also the low cost. But the cons here are uneven stand can be growth and the higher seed wastage, and also the weight competition might be more high as it is randomly broadcasted. But it is best suitable for small seeds and also in rain-fed areas and for the pasture areas. So for the improved version, we can use the seed cum fertilizer drill for light covering. Then the next method here is dibbling. Dibbling, as we can see in this picture, the definition here is seeds placed in the holes made by the stick or dibbler at the fixed spacing. So hereby I am repeating the definition. Seeds placed in the hole that might be made by stick or dibbler at the fixed spacing. The crop here recommended may be maize, sorghum, cotton, groundnut, and pulses. These seeds are like much bigger in size than the seeds that we have used for the previous method, that is the sowing or broadcasting. So the crops here used are maize, sorghum, cotton, groundnut, and pulses. The tools used here are the pointed stick, dibbler. Sometimes it might be directly our finger we use to dibble in the soil. The seed rate used here is very much low, that is 5 to 25 kg per hectare. So this method is also having pros and a little cons. The pros might be the exact depth of sowing and the lower seed rate and good for hilly areas. And the cons might be it is slow as we have to use to dibble each and every spacing and then we have to sow. So it might be a slow process and also it requires very much high labor. It is best for large seeds, rain-fed areas and the slopy land. The next method which we see here is the drilling method. The drilling method is otherwise known as the line sowing or seed drill method. The definition of the drilling method is seeds dropped in furrows in straight lines using the seed drill. The machine used here is the seed drill machine. So the crops recommended for the drilling method of sowing is or drilling method of crop planting system is wheat, barley, soybean, gram and maize. The tools used here are hand pushed drill, tractor seed drill or the zero till drill. Like hand pushed drill, as we can see in this picture, it is obviously the machine like a human operating machine, that is the hand pushed drill, And also in this picture, this side, it is a tractor seed drill. So the seed rate here might be, it is of medium. It is not low, it is not high, it is medium, 20 to 100 kg per hectare. The pros and cons here is, as the pros mentioning here was the uniform depth is maintained, and also the easy intercultural operation as it is mechanized, so it is easy to handle and use. But the cons here is, this method can be achieved only by the equipment. So this is the method of drilling. So in this video, we have seen about the dibbling method, and then the broadcasting method, and then the drilling method. I hope these three methods are clear for the crop planting method. So hope you all understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.